The first thing to do is remove the trim for the radiator grille. Open the hood and unscrew the trim at these 3 bolts. The bolted connections for the bumper cover are located in the wheel well. Turn the wheels to one side to facilitate access to the bolts. The bumper is attached with 3 expansion clips and 2 bolts on each side. The clips on both sides must be removed using a plastic wedge. Then the bolt must be removed. One bolt in the wheel well must also be unscrewed. In order to reach the screws on the connector to the PARKTRONIC, first unclip the air filter housing and push it to one side. Now unplug the PARKTRONIC connector to the bumper. Open the retainer for the plug and disconnect the plug. Undo the 2 bolts on the plug housing. The bolts are in a hard-to-reach location, so use the appropriate tool to reach them. The housing for the intake air system can now be reattached. Now the hose connection must be separated from the windshield washer system reservoir. Use U-finger to prevent the tank from leaking and seal off the connection with a plug. These bolts must now be unscrewed. It is best to get a colleague to help remove the bumper. Watch out for cables that may still be attached to the bumper. Disconnect the hose from the spray unit. The nozzle assembly must be pulled out in order to remove the cover at the front. Now unbolt the spray system from the mounting on the bumper. Carefully pull the unit out of the frame. The green seal ring should always be replaced. The same applies for the seal ring on the water tank. To seal off the connections, use the plug set W6395890091000. Install in the reverse order.